What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Greg Boogie. We're back with another banger. If you clicked on this video, if you like the title of this video, it's because you just spent your life savings on a motorcycle, you can't afford a GoPro, and you want to know what other ways there are to start your motovlogging channel without that. So, like me, I spent a couple weeks on YouTube trying to find good videos with help for that. Unsuccessful, figured it out myself, and I decided to spare you guys some of the pain and the headache that I had to go through. So in this video, I will show you guys where I got my stuff from, I will show you guys how to put it on, and we'll go for a ride post-installation so you can see what it looks like. If you like any of that, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the post notification button so you're notified every time I drop another banger, and make sure you hit the sub button and show your favorite YouTuber some love. Without further ado, let's get into it. Roll the intro.
Man, what a feeling. I see down and now I'm reaching the ceiling. I was down and out and they never listened, but now it's going down.
Alright, so I already installed this on an old HJC helmet. I did this because I wanted to make sure I liked it and it worked and actually stuck and all of that before I put it on my main helmet, my built charger helmet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off of this. It came with some extra adhesive. Unfortunately, I already unpackaged everything, so I can't show you guys like the boxes it came with and everything, but I will drop the exact Amazon links. Yeah, it came with extra adhesive, plenty of extra adhesive. I won't even need all this. So I will take this off and clean my built helmet and we'll put it on that one. Alright, so change of plans. My built charger has like a chin ventilation on it. I'll show you guys real quick. It's got some like chin ventilation on it, so I cannot put a chin mount on this. So I have disassembled from the HJC and I'm going to reassemble just so you guys can see. So the first step is to take the base of the chin mount and stick it on the chin. Next, you want to take your strap and you're going to put one end in whatever side that you want, I think, but I went ahead with this side. You're going to stick the strap in there. Kind of hard to do this in recording, so boom. Get the strap in there, fasten it. Boom. Next step, you're going to get your ball lock. I'm showing you the one that I already had. Because I don't want to waste the other one. And you're going to take the 3M off. They advise, it comes up, it looks like this. They advise you put some heat on this. I used a lighter for like 3 seconds, I guess, to activate the 3M. And you latch it first, right in here. Latch and lock, because if you stick it first, you might have put it in the wrong place. So latch that, and then it should stretch. You want it as tight as it can go, right? Stick that. And there's a little flap there. You want to lock that. Gives you a little bit more security. So this is how we're looking so far. Okay. Next, you take your ball joint and it aligns in here. It just slides right in there. Boom, just like that. And take your ball lock, small hole on this side, and you just lock that in place. If it's not screwing in, that means that your ball joint thing is not all the way pushed in. So just make sure it's all the way pushed in and twist that as tight as you can go. Lastly, you're gonna take the phone mount and you're gonna put it on. I might time lapse this part because it's going to take a bit of a second to get it on exactly how you want it. You want it to be like vertical because you want to record on an iPhone like this. So you want the mount to be like this. If you finish twisting the mount like this, the phone has to go like this. So, alright. Figured it out and I decided to come back and do it on camera because some people may get frustrated like I got frustrated the first time. So what you're actually going to do is take this back out. Sorry for that. Put this in the phone mount first. Right? Tighten it all the way. Once you get it tightened, you'll see that your little piece on the back is obviously not going to fit in that. So hold firmly this piece so that it's not moving. Turn it and then turn this part. So that now your mount is still tight and it fits right in there. Boom. Now we put a ball on back in. And now we have an iPhone chin mount. The other thing that I purchased was a lavalier mic. And I also got just original iPhone headphones. And I'm actually going to do audio tests with our ride around and see what works best. I plan on running them both through my cheek pads, which is, I don't know if you can see my cheek pads are loose. Running them both through my cheek pads and 3M taping them to the inside. And we'll see which one sounds better.
Bitch, I'm in Paris. Bitch, I'm in Paris. Double G's on the back, keep staring. Wrist frying with the beat like Ferris. That was bustin' real loud, they blaring. Two bitches in the back with the tongue they sharing. Big lobby airing.
Alright, I accidentally stopped the video trying to fix my angles. Speaking of angles, I am praying that you guys are not looking at my gas tank right now. So, nice bike, dog. Nice bike. Alright, so let's take you guys on a ride to the lake. Just a quick ride, man. Just to see what this mount is capable of. And really hoping that these headphones sound good. You know, if the audio is still an issue, I will have to figure something out and come back with a second video. Maybe we find something Bluetooth. I don't know. But as far as capturing your visuals, I've already done it earlier, so I already know, like, this is great. The hardest part is just finding the right angle to tilt your mount at, because you don't want to be, you know, down here the whole time if your phone's pointing too low. So you kind of have to over point it up so that when you're looking straight, it's looking like slightly above you, if that makes sense. But yeah, I mean, man, this is a beautiful neighborhood. It's a beautiful day. Let's see if I can get this on one take, man. Audio aside, let's see if I can get this ride in one trip. Man, it's so green out here. I really need a new visor on this HJC, man. It really sucks. Cruising at 46 in 4th gear comfortably. You know? My bike loves 3rd and 4th gear. Absolutely loves it. I really wish I would have figured this iPhone mount out sooner, so I could have captured my first rides, my first commute to work, you know, my first night ride. I really wanted this to be authentic and genuine. And someone was like, hey, well, you can just ride and still call it your first. I don't want to lie to my subs, man. This is not my first ride. It's still one of my firsts, but it's not the first. And, you know, why start a channel already being ingenuine, you know? So, I mean, I've only had the bike for 14 days, you know. Before that, I had my license for like 20 days, and before that, I had ridden a bike one time in my life. So, this is a complete noob channel. I won't be popping wheelies. I won't be taking 1,000-mile hauls yet. Like Mooney Park. Let's see if we can downshift properly. struggle of mine, rev matching, man. Like, I am trying to figure it out, man. I am trying to figure it out. We'll take this turn in third. We should be able to take this turn in third. Yeah. Back and forth. Cruising. Phone's not shaky. Phone's not falling or breaking. I mean, I think that for $24.99, this is the best thing that you can get. You know, if you already own an iPhone, I mean, you just spent your life savings on a bike, man. Who's also spending an additional, you know, $300-400 on a GoPro, maybe more than that, once you calculate all the accessories that you'll need for it. I'm here for the people, man. If you've watched any of my previous videos, I'm budget friendly. I am very budget friendly because, you know, I didn't always have it. So I try not to make videos for people assuming that they have it, and that's not fair. A lot of people that come on the internet, they want to learn how to do it like an average person, not a person who's making $10,000 off of YouTube a week. First ride on gravel, man. Let's slow down. Let's slow her down. So I'm not gonna ride down to the lake because it's a lot downhill. But we can pull over here. We can see the lake, hopefully. Let's see what she's looking like today. Beautiful. Yeah, that would have been a downhill ride of terror. I might have pissed myself, and then coming up would have been completely shitty, but Lake Mooney, guys. Alright, so that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride. I hope you guys enjoyed the conversation. I hope my how-to video really helped some of you who, like I said earlier, just aren't in the position to spend $500 on a GoPro right now. If you did like the content, if you did like the video, if you stayed the whole time, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the post notification bell so that you're notified every time I post another banger. And with that being said, see you next time.
Bitch, I'm in Paris. Bitch, I'm in Paris. Double G's on the bag, keep staring. Wrist fine with the beat